So why are we here?
Why are we?
Spa. It all started a few weeks ago at Spa, where you took your recently renovated Audi S3 to the racetracks.
Yeah.
For a spin, or 50.
Yeah. Beginning of this year, I rebuilt the whole car, and a few weeks ago was the first test drive, which was awesome.
Amazing. Yeah, I got to ride along, and I absolutely fell in love with the sport. And we were driving back home, and I said, I want to race as well.
Yeah, and that's when you bought a car.
Well, you wouldn't lend me yours, so I had to buy a car for myself, which is funny because of two things. One, I don't know anything about car engines. You do, I don't. And two, it's not like we need another hobby.
No.
So maybe we should give a short introduction about who we are. So we met a while ago during skydiving, actually. And then we found out we had more things in common than just skydiving.
Yeah.
A bunch of hobbies and whatnot. And I guess that was enough for me to like you enough to get married.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We found this little gem. And that provided the space for Devin to rebuild his S3.
Yeah.
So why on YouTube? Well, I guess we thought it would be really, really fun to watch me tinker about a car engine, which I know nothing about whatsoever. We're trying to bundle our wits and resources to build the TT, to make the TT ready for racing. That's a perk of buying a car that has the same platform as your S3.
Yeah, so we can swap out parts.
So your old crap goes into my old car, and then you get to buy all new stuff.
So that's cost efficient. So there's only one of us who has to buy stuff, and the other one gets it.
And we're all doing it in the evening and lots of weekends.
As we both have a full-time job.
And we thought it would be fun to take you along on the ride, no pun intended. So I guess, welcome and subscribe.
Yeah.
And then point somewhere.
Push the button somewhere.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Follow us if you want to have a laugh. Follow us if you want to witness our divorce.
So the previous owner already did a few things on the car. The red top ignition coil packs, there's some cold air intake which needs replacing though. Furthermore, the suspension has already been done. There are some coilovers, the car has been lowered a bit stiffer. And the car came with some bucket seats. So, first things first.
Right. We're gonna take the interior out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trim the fat lady.
She's not fat. So we've checked the car for fault codes, and 4 of them have popped up. The last one mentions a power supply terminal where the voltage is too low, which I guess is very logical since the battery was completely dead. For the other 3, I'm going to need Devin's help to point out underneath the hood where those fault codes might be coming from. And then after that, I'll pick up further investigation. So the first one is the secondary air injection solenoid valve, which causes an intermittent open circuit. The second one is the intake air temperature sensor with a too low of a signal. And the third is a mass airflow sensor where the signal is too high, or at least intermittent too high. So I guess we need to fix whatever needs fixing on the lift for the S3 and then switch cars. What's going on here?
I'm trying to get the exhaust manifold off, but there are 2 bolts who are really shit to get out. But I got 1 out
Yay.
of 2. There's 13 in there and 2 are really shit. It is bent.
Very much bent. What's in the box?
What's in the box? More power. I'm trying to get a turbo inlet pipe to fit and have enough clearance, but it doesn't. So to make the turbo inlet pipe fit with enough clearance around these coolant lines, we need a 90-degree connector.
I feel this though is a little bit too tight, right?
Yeah, it is.
Right. So
yeah.
maybe you should find a longer piece to give it a bit more slack.
Yeah, that would be nice.
So where's that longer piece? You ordered some.
Oh, the longer piece is on the hot tub outside. So.
Ah, that's where the longer piece went.
There it is.
We have a high performance hot tub heater. You fixed it? Wait, did you destroy the hot tub heater?
No, I didn't.
It still gets hot?
It still gets hot.
And this gets cool.
I hope so.
All right, we switched cars. Your S3 is ready for the tuner, and we created a wish list for the TT to get our track ready. It's quite a list. It's quite some money, and of course, I'm gonna wait till you're asleep at night. I'm gonna steal some of the things from your S3. Isn't it going to be Christmas soon? I'm gonna have to sell my car. I'm gonna have to sell my soul. I'm gonna have to sell sexual favors. Well, honey, it seems like from now on you're gonna have to pay for